everyone, my name is Natalie Miesco and today I want to talk about something real and happening around us. Worker exploitation. I know the topic sounds big but let's make it simple. Globalization helps countries connect and work together. Because of it, we can buy clothes, gadgets, food, and almost everything from different parts of the world. But behind those products, there are workers, real people who spend long hours doing tough jobs. But the problem is, a lot of them don't get fair pay. Some work in factories with low wages. Some have unsafe working conditions, and others work so much but still can't support their families. Meanwhile, big companies earn huge profits. This is what we call labor exploitation. When workers give so much effort but they don't get what they deserve in return. This issue connects to both Filipino millennials and Gen Z. Many millennials experience the need to work abroad or take any job available just to survive. Gen Z, on the other hand, is more vocal. We call out unfair treatment online. We support small local brands. And we try to talk about fair pay or work-life balance openly. What I like about our generation is we care. We don't just accept unfair treatment. We question it. We talk about it and we try to make better choices. So, what can we do? We can support ethical brands, buy from local stores, and be more aware of where the things we use come from. And even in small choices matter. And most of all, we can use our voices, whether it's online or in conversation. We can help spread awareness and encourage fair treatment for all workers. Thank you for watching and remember, supporting fairness doesn't require big. It simply starts with choosing to care.